Hi friends, this video shows how to contact Wakefit for warranty claim. They have email ID and WhatsApp number to submit warranty claim. The email ID is support@wakefit.com. WhatsApp number is 988-3333-123. First, let me check what are covered in the warranty. Item 1. Mattress shrinkage, deformity or sagging of more than 1 inch is covered in the warranty. Item 2. Undulations on the mattress surface or splits in the foam material also covered in the warranty. Detailed information including what are not covered in the warranty we can find in the warranty card. Go to wakefit.co/warranty. There can also find warranty details. Please ensure following things when you submit warranty claim via email ID or WhatsApp. Please mention defect, then attach one photo of the defect, then attach copy of invoice, then mention your contact details. Okay, then Wakefit team will contact you. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.